When winter winds blow and plants go dormant, birds need to forage far and wide for sustenance. Help them out with bird-friendly landscaping that nourishes them with seeds, berries, and grains. Different birds have different preferences, and a diverse diet benefits them all. Growing a variety of plants that feed birds over winter offers the greatest help. Here are some of the best choices to consider. For plentiful seeds that birds enjoy, you can do no better than echinacea, also known as coneflower. It's easy to grow, drought-tolerant, and comes in a myriad of bright colors. Rudbeckia is an equally popular choice for the same reasons. Both Rudbeckia and echinacea make beautiful cut flowers. For bright yellow blooms in late summer and seed heads to sustain birds through winter, helianthus and goldenrod are both superb choices. Songbirds love them both. Ornamental grasses provide birds with nourishing grains and look stunning in the winter garden. Among the best choices for bird-friendly landscaping are bluestem and switchgrass. Finally, berry-filled shrubs provide feasts for songbirds throughout winter. Grow winterberry for a bird banquet in a bush. Its bountiful berries add brilliant color against a snowy winter landscape. Viburnums are another easy-to-grow shrub with plentiful winter berries that birds favor. Among the best choices for prolific berries are Viburnum brandywine and Viburnum blue muffin. Growing landscape plants that sustain birds through winter gives them an ongoing source of natural food and helps support biodiversity. Choose a mixture of perennials, grasses, and shrubs that supply seeds, grains, and berries. Your songbirds will thank you. For more ways to make gardening easy, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.